Okay, after we created the wallet on Incentiv portal, we claim the testnet tokens, we send the first transaction. Now we're going to add a contact. How you can add a contact on Incentiv. So we're going to explain everything. First, let's go and claim the testnet tokens, as always. After we claim the testnet tokens, we're going to make sure that the tokens are appearing on the portal, which I strongly believe that they're going to appear right now. And okay, after that, we're going to go on the bottom right here on add new contact. Okay, this is the add new contact stuff. Okay, the tokens appeared here. Okay, let's go add new contact, contact name and wallet address. Let's take a wallet address here on the Discord server from the channel where the community send their wallet addresses to interact with each other. Here, okay, copy that address. Okay, let's name this. Okay, I'm naming it Anon from Discord. Done. Let's pass the wallet address here. Okay, pasting it on the bar. Okay, and here we can select an image to identify the user more properly. I'm not selecting one for now, but here is how you can do it. Add the contact. Okay, after you add the contact, you'll receive the badge add contact completed, which is easy as that, smooth. And also on the contact list here down below, you can find the Anon from Discord, the guy that you just added. Right away, you can interact with him by sending or swapping or whatever that you want to do with his wallet. Okay, let's send some tokens to Anon from Discord. Okay, always, any type of transaction, you sign it with your fingerprint or any type of authentication, biometric authentication method that you put it in. Okay, transaction is being sent. This was it as for adding a contact. After this one, we're going to do the first swag completed and also bundle actions and also a unified token function and coming up with all the features that are going to be released by Incentiv team. Thanks a lot for everyone. Keep it up because we are not stopping with the guides. We are just getting started with everything that you need to know on how to utilize on the best way possible Incentiv as in the testnet and continuing on the mainnet.